Hello guys, welcome to a new syllabus for the variable in SQL Server. Guys, so now you are again welcome to KPSI or e-learning. So guys, we will see for the variable. Guys, what is the variable? It is used to store the data in runtime. So guys, variable is nothing. It is the any programming language like you will read the C or Java or anywhere. Guys, variable simple meaning is it is used to store the data in runtime. Any programming language. Syntax in SQL Server: declare at the rate variable name, set value. Guys, this is the generic syntax for variable. Example: declare at the rate a int, set at the rate a equal to 20, print at the rate a. So guys, I am running this, and guys, I have declared this at the rate a as the variable which data type is the integer. And guys, here set at the rate a equal to 20, so I'm setting the value as the 20. And now guys, will print it, and you can see that. Guys, here it is saying print. If you want to select, I'm giving the small example here. You can do the select and you can run it. You will get as your results. So guys, you can see here it is showing the results, and in message one row is affected, you will get it. So guys, hope you understand for the print and select as well. So print will be always return you the data in the form of message, where select will be retrieve the result. Guys, variable is basically two kinds of the variable. First one is known as the local variable, and second one is the global variable. Guys, what is the local variables? It is preceded with at the rate symbol, and it allowed to store single value. Guys, local variable will be work into the only for single statement, and it will be guys store single value, and it is represent with the at the rate symbol. Syntax: declare at the rate variable name, data type, set value. Example: declare at the rate b int, at the rate c int, at the rate d int. Set at the rate b equal to 30, set at the rate c equal to 40, set at the rate d equal to at the rate b and at the rate c plus. So guys, basically we are declaring three variable b and c. We are setting the value 30 and 40, and at the rate d we are doing the at the rate a plus b, means guys we are doing the addition. And guys, if we'll select at the rate d, it will be result output. So guys, whenever you will use the variable, keep it in mind, you have to select whole statement, and then it will be return you the output. So now guys, you can see the value. If we'll write to, I showed instead of no column name, you want to show the value. So guys, here I am giving you that as total. So guys, see your output. Instead of no column name, it will be show you at the. Hope you have understood it. And now guys, related to this small examples I am giving you, and guys, I am having a small assignment for you also. Write a program to divide two numbers which will populate results in decimal. So guys, I have declared this number 1, number 2, number 3 as the three integer, and which data types is the integer. Guys, set at the rate number 1 equal to 60, set at the rate number 2 equal to 30, set number 3 at the rate number 1 divided by number 2. And guys, here we have to change this data type. The integer won't be returned your data into the form of decimal. Hence guys, you have to utilize the data type conversion. So here you have to give the comma, and guys, here you have to close the bracket. So now guys, if you run this, you can see your output at the decimal 2.00. Guys, this code I have written as that by giving the example as the integer. Can you guys write this instead of integer as the decimal data type and show the output in my comment box? Very good. I will wait for your answer. Let's see. Next, guys, I have given the example for write a program to subtract two number which will populate result in decimal. Declare at the rate b, at the rate c, at the rate d as integer. set at the rate b equal to 60.0, set at the rate c equal to 30, set at the rate d equal to at the rate c minus at the rate b, and guys here we can see the output. So guys, just I am running this. So guys, you can see your example here. It is showing that. Cool. So if you want to try with that this way, so guys, you try it and write the answer into the comment box. I will wait for you. Next, guys, write the program to multiplication of two numbers which will populate result in decimal. So guys, I am taking the example with the integer I have given. Declare at the rate b int at the rate c int, set at the rate b equal to 6, set at the rate c equal to 3, and guys, instead of this you have to utilize directly at the reset rate here, and guys here at the rate b we have to remove from here, and guys we are writing our complete code like this, and guys I have converted the decimal and we can see the output. But guys, challenge for you, you have to write this data type instead of integer, and you have to show your assignment or your output, similar output to there. I will wait for your answer. So guys, you are enjoying your learning with me by getting the knowledge as well as the assignment. So please subscribe this. Next, guys, write a program which will add two string. Declare at the rate v1 varchar 10, at the rate v2 varchar 10, and guys here suppose two string we have to edit. First string is the Bhartendu, second string is the Kumar, that we have set it under the two variable v1 and v2, and guys we are running whole statement. We can see Bhartendu space Kumar, we are getting the output. If you want to alias, here you can write it as the as complete name. I'm writing this as a complete underscore name. So you can see that your output. Super. Now guys, we will next things guys, this is our your next assignment. Write a program which will populate reverse of string. Next things guys, global variable. It is inbuilt with software and represent by at the rate symbol. Guys, these are the generic things I am giving you. So select at the rate version. So it will returns the version of SQL Server. So which version we are working? So guys, just will execute this command and we can see we are working Microsoft SQL Server 2017 RTM GDR. So same code you can run in your system and you can check it, and guys please comment in my comment box which SQL Server version you are using. Next, select at the rate server name. Guys, any server you are working and you want to check your server name. So guys, you can see that. Next, Microsoft which service you are using. So guys, select at the rate service name is there. So returns name of the service. Next things guys, at the rate row count guys, so it will be show you what is the your last query has given number of the rows, so that it will be counted and it will show you. Next guys, select at the rate error returns 0 if there is no error in last executed SQL statements of returns error number. So guys, if will return by default, it will be returning the 0. If any error is there, it will be show the error number. So guys, next things that to display the list of error message. So guys, we can write the another example. So select a star from sys dot message. It will be show you the all the error. So guys, this is the error generally when any of the code validation is happening, you are getting this message. So guys, this is about the local variable and global variable. Guys, you want more examples for the global variable? Please write into the comment section. I will give you the list of that global variables like below you can see onto the my screen. So this all you will get for the practice, and write into the comment section. Let's meet there. So again, guys, I will wait for your answer. Thank you. Good luck.